Today we're here at the K-Show 2019 in Düsseldorf. I'm quite excited that we're showcasing a full range of applications across a number of verticals. We're also showing our new material, TPU, which can be used for many new applications. It expands what you can do with additive manufacturing. An example that you can see here is a helmet. The TPU material has high energy absorption combined with lattice structures that are only enabled through 3D printing.
We are having a clear message that 3D printing is ready for the production.
So we feel we are very ready to address and tackle some of the challenges to bring manufacturing to a whole different level.
3D is a huge solution to avoid creating waste from the beginning while you produce, because we are additive.
This part is made for Vestas, for the assembly lines. Vestas is the world leader in wind turbine manufacturing, and they've chosen our material for the unique shock absorption it provides. We are looking forward to further grow our cooperation with HP and drive together the industrialization of additive manufacturing.